My brother, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. You brought a very I don't know how to put it, but our people will help us to solve this problem. Okay. Tell us your name.
My name is Ebode Stephen Omoihoje from Edo State, but
Okay.
I was born and brought up in Imo State.
Okay. So you came with a problem concerning your wife.
Yes.
Can you tell us exactly what happened?
My name, her name is Okoro Favor.
Can you, let's see her picture first. Let's see her picture, Okoro Favor. Any of her picture where, so that we can. You have a you did a traditional.
See her.
Let's see. Okay, no, put it like this so that people can.
Okay.
Show it here. Show it here. Show it here.
This her.
Okay. Let's see where maybe two of you are, or maybe where we can.
When she was pregnant for me.
Okay. Okay.
She came with the man's daughter when we started dating.
Okay. Okay. Continue.
So she was formerly married. She and the man had an issue.
What's the name of the man?
The man's Ibe.
Okay.
They had an issue because the man don't have a male child, and the man had 3 wives plus the lady. So when she married the lady had no male child. The man started having an affair with their maid. So when the lady found out, she left the marriage and went back to
the lady. That's your wife.
My wife. She went back to her family.
Did your wife give birth to any child for him?
Yes, a girl named Oma.
Let's see.
The man's Oma.
Okay.
Ibe.
This is the little girl.
So
Okay.
she came with the daughter. So we started dating. She came to my place on her birthday, which is July 23rd, 2023. That's when she first came to my place. We started dating. We had an affair that day. She went back to her family house. Then she told me that she wants to come for holiday on Xmas period. So when she came for Xmas period holiday, we started dating. So she told me she wants to spend the holiday at my place. That's when we started dating. So during that process, she told me she was pregnant. Then I said, okay, before the next month, I will go to his father's place and pay the dowry. So when we went there, because of everything, they said she was pregnant. I can't pay the dowry, but I can do every other thing. So I did everything for Umana and all those other things. We came back. She started living with me with the baby.
Okay, this is your thing.
The traditional marriage.
The traditional marriage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put the girl in school.
Okay.
So we started dating. From there, when she was on April 9th, 2024. She gave birth to our baby boy.
How many?
2 boys.
2 boys.
Twins. So after then, she stayed 3 months. We started having an issue that the man was calling her on phone. I told her I don't like that. I don't like that. So she was angry that she don't want to stay in my family house again. She packed and
the man started calling her
and texting her on phone. So we had an issue because of this. She said she don't want to stay in the family house again because I do monitor her every call that she wants us to pack out. I refused. So she packed out with. I called his parents. They did not say that anything she said that's what she will do. So they did not say anything. So after the rent finished, she called the man's Ibe, and the man come and picked her with my children. Then his brother called me that the man have come and carried my children and my former wife. So that's when I got the information. So I texted the man. The man blocked me. I called him on phone. He blocked me, and the lady blocked me on every social media and my family members. Since then I went to welfare, but they came with a lawyer. And the lawyer said that they should remove the hand in the matter. So that's why I'm here, sir.
So, okay, this is you and your
my
babies.
baby.
Okay. Did you name did you
yes,
go for baptism?
Yes.
Baptismal, whatever. Okay, let's see the picture where you.
They gave them name. Okay. Denzel and Damian. They put them.
Which names?
Denzel and Damian.
Okay. Okay. First of all, we want to who are okay.
This is the traditional marriage.
Okay, this is your traditional marriage, and she was pregnant.
See when they gave us drink.
Okay, let
His
us
father
see.
and mother.
Okay, the father and the mother.
They
So
blessed the
what is the father saying and what is the mother saying?
They say they don't have issue with me. That the lady is her own master of her own herself. That anything she says, that's what she will do. Every of her family members, they don't support her. They are at my back. But just the man have money and he's a doctor. So I don't have any help. That's why I'm here for.
Okay, the man is a doctor, medical doctor.
The medical doctor, and he have a hospital.
At where?
Ruby.
At Ruby.
Jemazi, a specialist hospital. That's where the lady is staying. It's a 2-decade hospital.
Okay, so these children, how old are they now?
1 year and 4 months now, and I've not seen them since then.
You have not set your eyes
on them since 1 year and 4 months.
1 year and 4 months. Do you call the woman?
Yeah, she blocked me on every social media.
You cannot reach her?
I can't reach her. I can't do anything. I can't even text her.
And what of the man?
Same thing. If I call the man will not pick my call. And I have their numbers. So that's why I'm here, sir. Please help me.
Explain the people that are inside this picture.
This picture is my mom, the lady, and my father's sister.
Okay.
When we went for a church service on Sunday.
Okay. Now, did you pay for the
hospital bill? Yes, I paid for everything. Accidental, everything. I have the receipt with me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You paid for
everything, hospital bill, everything. I have the receipt here.
So, what is the reason for her moving out?
Because the man was calling her. Maybe the man don't have a baby boy.
Okay.
So maybe because she told me before that the man was asking him how to come back.
Okay.
That he will give him 50 million if he come back with my children. But she told me that.
She told you?
Yes. But she told me that she will never try that. That the man frustrated her before and have an affair with her maid. So she can never go back to that man. That she stated with English that she can never go back to her vomit. That's how she said it.
Wow.
But now, because of money, she changed. And
what is the name of this your
Favor Okoro.
From where?
From Amozare, Mbano.
Amozare.
Yes, Mbano.
All right, my brother. You have you ran to us for help, right?
Yes, sir.
And we will help you.
Yes,
okay?
You, sir.
We will help you to recover your children. Okay? They are your children, and if once you come to us, DNA will be conducted.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
nobody will take away your children from you. Okay? Nobody will take away your children from you. It is a promise we are making you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
So just relax
and
let us follow everything legally.
Okay, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.